Now the next step in this toilet, I've made the determination that I'm going to caulk it into the floor. Some people yell and scream, hey Joe, you shouldn't be doing that, but the owner wanted it caulked. The old toilet, the existing toilet, before I changed out this wax ring, the leaky wax ring. And you know, if you didn't watch that video series, go to my channel, you can watch it, it's there for you. Go, look under playlist, go to my main channel page, scroll down to playlist, and then all about toilets or something like that. Okay, so I made the decision that I'm going to use this stuff, ceramic tile caulk, and it's sanded. And see, you can go to the store and you can get different colors. So I got, this one is 145 light smoke, and I tried to get something that was fairly close to the existing grout. That way when I put that in, it's almost going to look like grout. Now if you don't have that, they do have regular caulking, like latex acrylic caulking that's different colors, and you can try to find a color that matches, or you can use white. I've even seen some toilets on a natural stone floor where they've used white, and you just have to be real careful and clean as you wipe it up, because you don't want to see this big old goober, you know, big wide white ring around there. Okay, so I'm going to do that next on this toilet. If you've never tried this stuff, think about it next time. Well, looks like my recording card is just about up. It's blinking at me. And see, we never did use this at all, did we? Okay, the moment of truth, I'm flushing the toilet. We're going to see if there's any leaks around the bottom, and I'm going to say there's not going to be. Take a quick meander through here. That all looks dry. This is just needs to be cleaned off the floor. That's not a leak. That's all looking nice and dry. Now before you caulk it, if you end up deciding to caulk it, you can let it set just like this for a week if you want. Keep flushing the toilet back and forth, use it, make sure it's not leaking, so you feel comfortable enough about going and caulking it in. Okay? There you go. Hope you learned something. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.